Audanon, magyayakan na.
Good evening, everyone.
Wow.
Tonight marks this
Ay, pagtubig. Ay, pagtubig. Kasi kanugan. Ako magyayakan lugo dito.
I'm honored to share this moment with all of you, my closest friends and family.
Marito, okay.
As I stand here today, I'm filled with gratitude and joy. I'm grateful for the love and support that surrounds me. And I'm excited to start this new chapter of my life. Over the years,
Tinisan naman.
I've learned so much about
Kada kon
myself.
niya yan, tinuo ko.
Ano?
I want the world around me.
Nagingit ang gumay ko.
I made mistakes.
Yan ito, lulupa
I faced darkness. And I broke.
Hindi ko rin sa kumaglupa-lupa.
And through all-
Wala makakaawat.
and through it all, I've been blessed with amazing people who've stood by me every step of the way. To my family, I want to thank you
Tilisa,
for
kita na, tinuo.
unwavering support and guidance. Your love and encouragement meant the world to me. To my friends, I'm grateful for the laughter, adventures, and memories we've shared. You've made my journey richer and more meaningful.
Paano ito kumaon? May gugutom lang eh.
Tapos
As I begin this new chapter, I'm excited to explore new
Mapuring ay mag-birthday, di ka makakaon.
Puwasa ka.
Puwasa.
Pare ka magkwarta, puwasa ka.
Kwarta.
I'm
Hindi
eager
na lang ako
to
magdedebo.
grow and evolve.
Gutom.
I celebrate not just my youth,
Ato na yan, Tilisa Casillas, magbibikod rin.
who I am today.
Bahay lang magwala.
For being part of my journey.
Alright, thank you.